Hello and welcome to another video from me, Zaphod Beeblebrox, aka the British Tech Guru. Now we're here at my messy workbench and I'll show you some of the things that have arrived recently. I've got some very small screws in the 1, 2, 3 millimeter sizes. I've got some 2 millimeter axles, stainless steel axles. I've got some cogwheels, and this just arrived yesterday. There we go. More cogwheels and wheels. And that's all intended for the robotics. And I'm sorry, the camera's moving about. I'm going to say it's an earthquake. Yeah, right. Okay, now I've got a problem with the electronic circuit that I built the other day. It stopped working and I don't know why. So I pulled out my handy dandy multimeter. There we go. Now this is probably about the 3rd or 4th multimeter I've had like that. For some unknown reason, the darn things just quit working. I do not know why. I changed the battery. And what's happened with this one is I turn the dial and sometimes the resistance doesn't read, so I had to twiddle the dial a bit more to get it to read, and then I had it reading, moved the probes, and suddenly it stopped reading. I didn't move the meter at all, so goodness knows what's wrong with that. This one, again, it's a pretty decent little multimeter, except it too has stopped working. And these things are just pure garbage. I have yet to find a decent multimeter that keeps working year after year. And the thing is, these things get barely any use. I might use them once in a blue moon, and they just quit working. And it doesn't matter where you get them from, and it doesn't matter whether you get them from Walmart, Harbor Freight, whoever. And the same form factor multimeter will be manufactured in the same factory in China, so it really doesn't matter what brand is on it. Anyway, that's my number one frustration, is multimeters that don't work. And this has been another production by me, and I'll try and come back with better news next week.